Hello everyone, it's Simon, Volume Profile Secrets Trading School. Let's examine this picture. What you see in front of you here is the Nasdaq bouncing back from this particular level after the close. It's Wednesday, January 15th. So this morning after the CPI announcement, the markets went back up massively, which was expected since yesterday. We were bullish since yesterday. If you attended the live session, I was bullish on the Nasdaq. I kept saying it's going to go back up from the very bottom on the daily yesterday here. Now, or actually yesterday's low. Now, if I tell you the story behind this, you will enjoy it. Here's what happened today. I will show you step by step. I'll go to my Telegram and my trade call that I made today. Okay, so at 10:02 a.m., I posted this in the indices Telegram channel, saying here's a picture saying that the Nasdaq is coming up for a strong reversal level. You see the dark brown line here is 21,400. This was the main level that I was looking for to hold, but also I pointed to 4,040, and I put a box here saying that this area is going to be a strong reversal, and I will wait for 10:30 a.m. So at 10:30 a.m. actually I called a trade that went for 700 ticks in favor, 200 ticks first target and then 500 ticks runner. That it happened, but then it went back up to the same area. Let me examine the smaller chart. Here's a smaller chart. This was the 10:30 a.m. move. Let me show you. After this is 10:14, around 10:30 here. This is what happened. It started bouncing down, and then it went back up to my level that I was looking to execute from. When it went to this level, I found my entry, and I found my stop loss, and I found my first target. Here's the call. I'll show you. At 2:47, NQ is a short again. If you catch a good swing entry, stops at 21,460, 21,460. If you know your stop loss, folks, that's an amazing thing. You know your stop loss ahead of time. So 21,460 was my stop loss. Let me go to the small chart. 21,460 is right here. See this? And 2:47 p.m. when I called this trade was around this is 2:30. We were around this area. So the market was going up. I said if you can catch a trade. So it went back up, and the thing is we don't trade unless we first of all anticipate the trade, which I did anticipated this to be the final stop loss. I anticipated a good entry. By that I mean you have to also confirm. Watch for the confirmation. We had a big substantial attraction level SAL indicator showing up, the pink line or the magenta line here. We had the power lines as well, and we had the arrow. This was a good entry point. My entry was just above this area. I'll show you. And then we're down 200 ticks. Now, in favor, of course. Now, my first target was 21,400. This was my first target. See that? My first target alone was a massive over 130, 140 ticks. And I mentioned to my students that this reversal zone in the NQ was marked since 10 a.m., which you saw.